ready for this? There are 12 weeks until Christmas. I just counted 12 of them, 12 Wednesdays. Christmas is on a Wednesday this year. 12 Wednesdays until Christmas Day. What does that all mean? You have to have, there's going to be school parties, there's going to maybe be business parties, there's going to be all the gift exchanges that you and or your kids are involved in. There's the Christmas baking if you do that. There is teacher gifts. There's your own family in Christmas gifts or going away. And if you have family that doesn't live close by, then that's another thing that you have to think about and worry about is prepping and all the things to go somewhere. If you're going on a holiday, and that's a lot different. It's a little bit different of a mindset. But are you ready? There's a lot to do in these 12 weeks. So we just started October. Are you the type of person that is going to start buying Christmas gifts now, or are you the type of person that waits till like December and starts buying? Put below what you are. Are you an early shopper or are you a later shopper?